Derek with the Eliminex. We're here in East Brunswick. Checking our squirrel traps. They're climbing up the chimney, climbing up the outside of the chimney, going onto the roof. So we got two. I'm gonna put them back in the container. I'll release them tomorrow when it's daylight. They won't be able to survive if I release them at nighttime. So I'm gonna put them in there. Take them back to the office. And then I'll release them tomorrow at the drop-off point. I have some more traps to go check in the next town. So that place is going to be pretty quiet tonight. They've been going into the attic, making all kinds of ruckus. And then I got a couple more traps in the back. I'm going to keep checking these for the next few days, and then we're going to start doing the seal up.